In this lesson, we cover the works of Archimedes. Archimedes was born around 200 BC in Syracuse, Sicily. He is considered one of the greatest scholars of antiquity. He was the very first person to calculate pi with a high precision during his time, and discovered formulas for the circle and sphere. In order to discover pi, he used the method of exhaustion. Archimedes then used pi to discover that the area of a circle was pi r squared. He also used a method of levers to find that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. He was so proud of his discoveries that he had his tombstone marked with the volume of a sphere. It is amazing to know that the original works of Archimedes was almost lost forever. Parchment that contained Archimedes' original work was erased to be reused. Thankfully, in 1906, the parchment was recognized to contain Archimedes' work and carefully preserved. In 1999, it sold for $2 million at auction. If you want to know specifically how he found the formulas, click on the links to the videos. These videos contain the methods that he was able to prove the equations before calculus was invented. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to Mathematics Online to continue watching a history of math.